Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So I have told you that I will made a price action video. So you have voted also in the Telegram channel. So right now we're gonna see the sum of the price action. Okay guys, how market will behave I will tell you. This is the uptrend. Okay guys, it will came downside, once again goes upside, came downside, goes upside, once again come downside, once again goes upside and came downside. This is like a price action. It goes, this is higher high, makes higher low, after that higher high makes higher low. This is the action of price action. Okay guys, here you can see here exactly what happened is that it's making a high, some seller has been came, taken it downside, once again buyers will dominate, break this level, after breaking new high will create, some of the whoever got somewhere here or here, whoever have been buy, they will book their profit. So once again it will came downside and take their profit, and this is the level where buyer interested to take it upside once again. So once again here buyer will come, take it upside, once again it will, and somewhere here I have buyed or somewhere here I have buyed, some of the buyers are there, so they will book their profits. Okay guys, after that booking their profit, you can see here once again this is the buyer zone. Okay guys, because of here you can see that this is the buying zone. After once again buyer will came and take it upside momentum. Okay guys, why it will came downside and take exactly here support I will tell you, because of here one-sided momentum has been came, buyer are interested, taken it upside. Here some of the seller has been came, whoever buys somewhere here or lower, then they have to book some of the profit. So they have booked their profit, goes means that buyer are so much interested in this area, that's why this level has been broken, came downside. This is the level where buyer has been tested. So here once again buyer will active and take it upside. Okay guys, this is the higher high and this is uptrend guys. Okay guys, we can see now the lower slow and the downside trend. Okay guys, here it will came, goes upside, make downside momentum, came downside once again, move downside, once again come and take a resistance, came downside. Okay guys, like this happened. Okay guys, I will just shift this line so you get the idea. You can see here what happened. This is all-time high. What we think is this is the all-time high. Okay guys, this is all-time high. What happened? This is all-time high. Some news has been came, or somebody who are big hedge fund manager, all that whoever market movers, what they think this is the all-time high. Right now they will book their profits. Okay guys, they will started booking slowly. They come up till here. After that they are continuously came to selling here once again, because this is the buying zone, so buyers will activate. Here retailer will trapped. Okay guys, here retailer will trap. It will shows that okay, it will goes upside, once again continue uptrend. No, it came upside momentum, here only seller has been came, once again bigger players will came, taken it downside, once again buyer will came somewhere here or come up till just a second guys, I will, okay, come up till here and take support, goes upside momentum, but once again seller will activate, take it downside. Like this, because of bigger hedge fund manager or bigger player, what they do is that they know that this is not sustainable level, so what they do is that they will sell their position or goes for short covering. Okay guys, they will sell their position and then goes for short. Okay guys, they will continuously do short. Okay guys, that's why what happened, they can do the buying also. You know that the buyer is long position, seller will be the downside position, so they continuously sell their position. Because of here they also buy, because of they know that the buyer will always trap here, so they will buy here somewhere and exit it exactly here or here only and make a big position of selling. And you can see side one-sided momentum will come like this. Okay guys, this is the price action for upside trend and downside trend. Okay guys, this is the price action for upside trend. This is like upside trend, came once again, take resistance, came downside, once again high has been made in, once again came downside, exactly take support, goes upside like this, and after that this is the downtrend. Okay guys, so now we're gonna see where the retail trader will trap and how price action will work. So you can see here guys what happened. This will act as resistance, came downside, one-sided momentum has been came. Okay guys, like you can think that it will made a one-sided momentum. What happened, this is the all-time high, what we think. So what retail trader will do is that they think that it wanna goes more and more upside momentum. Okay guys, no, this will be the trap where hedge fund manager or bigger players will came, take it downside once again, like this upside momentum will happen. What happened, this is the trapping zone guys, this will be trapped you. Okay guys, this is the what happened, this is the seller has been come, so this is the short covering will come, slightly goes upside, after that retail trader will trap here. What they think, it will came up till here, I will book my profit. No, what happened, seller will once again came, taken it downside. Okay guys, once again buyer will came, take it upside, once again seller will came and take it in downside, once again buyers will came, once again seller will take it downside. How retail trader will trap, I will tell you, because of this swing. You can see that all time high, this is all time high, you can see here. Okay guys, it will came downside, means this is the seller zone guys. Okay guys, seller what will do, they have sold, so they have to book their profit. You know that they have to book their profit, they will book their profit. What happened, short covering will came. Okay guys, after that what happened, once again seller will see the good price, they will once again sell this. Once again retail trader will enter in this, once again retail trader will trap at this point, after that once again seller will came. Okay guys, like this they will came downside guys. So you have to consciously see that at this place you have to not buy. Okay guys, this will be the resistance area, I will just show you. You can see here continuously taken it, support, goes upside slightly, broken downside, taken resistance, came downside, like this will happen. Okay guys, always don't ever have to invest at this place or trade like this. Okay guys, at this place. Okay guys, we can see the how you have to invest or how retail trader has to invest. At this place only you can see that this is the buyer zone. What happened, buyer zone, this will act as resistance, came downside once again, boom, one-sided momentum will came. Okay guys, once again resistance will happen, came downside, goes upside, take once again here. Okay guys, goes upside, take here support, goes upside, like this. Slightly small thing will be given you. Okay guys, like this you can see here guys, this will act as supporting area. You can see here guys, I will just made it and I will explain it to you. Okay guys, so at this place, okay guys, this is the area where you have to see. Okay guys, so I will just show you, just a second, I will just remove this. Okay, I will show you. You can see here, this is the buyer dominance area, taken support, goes upside because this will act as a resistance, came downside. This high is middle. Okay guys, I will show you, this high is middle, so it has to cross this line. Okay guys, I will make it more darker so you can get. Okay guys, this is the line. If this will cross and you can exactly enter at this place, retail trader, I am telling you, retail trader, for this video, this place, because this is the swing, this is the swing, this high has been crossed, then this is the buyer's area. Okay guys, this is the buyer's area, one-sided momentum, this is acted as a resistance, came once again downside. This is the best place because here is buyer dominance, goes upside, that's why you have to enter at this place. This is the good place where you have to buy. Okay guys, you have buy one-sided momentum, once again came for supporting area because this is broken, so take support once again, buyer's dominance area. You can see here buyer dominance area, one-sided moment, like this you have to buy. Okay guys, at this place you also can do is what, you can also do the option selling, or you can do that future short. Okay guys, why is that? Because this is the dominance of sellers. You can see that short covering will came, goes upside, once again seller will see the good place, taken it downside. Once again short covering will came, once again seller will see the good place, taken it downside. Like this guys, you have to see the price action. Okay guys, so like this you have to see the consciously, and this is the area where you have to take your position. Okay guys, as a you are a retail trader, you have to don't have to trap at this place only. I will show you like this. Okay guys, this is the area. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, this is the area guys. Once again goes upside. This is the swing guys, this is the swing. Okay guys, this is the swing. After this has been crossing, this has been crossing, you have to go for long position guys. Okay guys, long position you can consider. Okay guys, if you wanted to take a short position, what you have to do, this is the all-time high, came downside, once again boom, downside. This area, I will just make it, this area has to cross. After this is crossing, you can go for future short or option selling guys. This is the area where seller has been coming continuously. Okay guys, I will explain like this only. Just this is the example for you. So like this it will happen, then only go for downside or sell. Okay guys, if you wanted to buy or long position, you have to see that it has to cross this high. After that you can go for longer position. Okay guys, how the you have to see the consciously how the support and resistance area will act. I will tell you that thing. Okay guys, right now we can see the support and resistance area. Okay guys, we know that the normally things is that supporting area, how it will act, this will act as supporting area, goes upside, it will act as resistance, came downside, once again goes upside, and it will act as a supporting area. Okay guys, this is all we know. Okay guys, and resistance area also you can see that this will come downside, take a resistance, goes downside, and once again it will act as resistance. This is the basic thing what we know that about support and resistance area. Okay guys, how you have to see the support and resistance area. Okay guys, you can see that one thing is will happen always, it goes upside, came downside, once again go trying, continuously trying. Okay guys, so at least second time only, or second time, two times it will take resistance, third time is probability is very high, it will breaks, take support and gives one-sided momentum. Okay guys, it is not happen that it will take support exactly at this place only, because of buyers are so much dominant. You can see that first time, second, third time it will gonna definitely break and gives us one-sided momentum. It is not necessary it will came and take support. Okay, it will came and take support, this will be the very much nicer thing happen to us, because this will confirm us that it will gonna gives us bigger momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, this is the confirmation only. Okay guys, so we gonna see that how the resistance will act. Okay guys, continuously here only acting. Okay guys, first time, second time, third time. Okay guys, fourth time. Okay guys, fourth time it will take a resistance, means this level become a very weak, it will continuously taking first time, second time, third time, fourth time. At that time, this is the crucial point where seller will goes outside and fresh seller will came, because first time tries, second time, third time. How many times will buyer will try to take it upside? First time will try, second time, third time. They will lose their hope and leave that position, and fresh seller will come, because they know that first time we have tried, okay, not successful, second time we tried, not successful, third will try, not successful, fourth time they will take their bigger position and take it downside, take resistance. This is the confirmation. If this will get, then it will be the confirmation for this. Our first target will be this, second target up till. Okay guys, one thing you have to remember guys, I will tell you these all things. Okay guys, but the thing is you have to practice yourself. Okay guys, you have to see the pattern, whatever I have told you, the upside trend, downside trend, how the seller will trap, how the buyer will trap, that all things I have told you guys. Go and check out, please go and check out all the things. However, you can see the Tesla stock, that is the good thing, because that is one-sided momentum has been given. So you can go and research on it, or Apple stock, Microsoft, all are various types of stocks are there. Go and check out. And in index also you can check out, there are some of the patterns are also there. I will definitely make a separate video on it, because this is the only price action video, guys. That's why I have not tell you any pattern thing in here. So that's why I have not told you. If you like this video, guys, please go and check out my Telegram channel too, guys. I will tell you there forex also, forex analysis, commodity analysis also I have done. You can go and check out. 90 to 95% we are accurate. Go and check out, please, guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and families too, so they can also make a good and nicest money in stock market, guys. So why I have made this channel is that because of retail trader will do not trap and their hard-earned money. I don't want it to see that they have made such a hard-earned work. They have a single minute, they have make a very hard work, guys. They have worked for within 24 hours in a day. They can work for 18 or 16 hours they have worked, and their single penny will wasted like this. So I don't want it to do that thing for them. So that's why I have made it this channel, and I am continuously trying you to give up my level best. If you have any queries, please comment me down, guys. I will very happy that you have any question, anything. So I will give you the answer in comment only. Please, I will make separate video also. If you make any bigger thing that you do not getting that thing, so I will make separate video on it too, guys. Please go and check out all the analysis. I have given all the analysis with the specific logic also. You can see that those logic also and read. So I will definitely tell you within 1 to 2 year, guys. I will tell you one thing, guys, because of you can do any degree or something. Okay, guys, so you can have to give such a 4 to 5 years or PhD or something like this. So you have to give the time. So like that only you have also need a time to become a trader, guys. So please give the time for become a trader, guys. I will definitely tell you, go and watch my analysis. If you do not getting anything, please comment me down. I will tell you. If you follow my these thing also, I am telling you frankly, I will tell you that you will become a trader within 2 years, and that too successful trader, guys. So please check out those all the videos, guys. You can definitely get all the logics and all the learning on those things also. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.